So until now we have seen like we can write the variables and assign the variables like Peter age is equal to 35, and we can put name comma age, and if we print execute, name and age are getting printed. Let me show you. So Peter and age are printed. So but we want to ask the user to enter the data. So for that we should have to, instead of this we will write gets, and age is equal to gets. So now if you run it, so gets is not supported by this Sublime. So because we have saved our file, we will be opening our file. Click on the save and go to our file in our Ruby, which is first, as we have saved this one, and now double click on it. So now it is asking for the name Peter, enter, age is equal to 34. So as soon as we press enter, it is getting out. So there is a small trick, one more command you should have to enter. So write again gets is nothing but it will wait until the user input. So remember this code, and now Control S, save it. Now open your file. So to make it more readable, I will write two more commands. Let me write print enter the name, and after getting the name we will write print enter the age. Now Control S or go to the file and save it. Both are same. Now we will opening our file. Open our file. Let me zoom it little bit. Now enter the name. Let us say Peter. Enter the age 35. Now as we press enter, name and age are printed, and the cursor is waiting because we have written gets. As soon as we press enter, that will disappear. So that is how we create a file and execute the file. Actually what we are doing, we are creating a executable file here. So that is how we will write. We will ask the user to enter the data. And now let us, so here gets is nothing but gets is getting as a string. Even though you are entering age as an integer, it is getting as a string. So if you like see, I will show you print. Let us use print here, name and age. Okay, Control S, open the file. It is asking the name, give the name, age. Peter and age are printed, but actually let me close it. Actually print should actually see name is equal to Peter, age is equal to 35. Okay, save it. Now if I open the file, see here Peter and 35 are printed both in the same line. So why? When we are getting the data, it is printing in the separate line. I will be showing. So for why it is showing, because let me open the interactive Ruby to understand it better. So when we are saying name is equal to gets, pressing enter, it is waiting for the user input. Now let us say Peter, and when we press enter, so it is storing as Peter, and escape sequence is also getting added automatically. That is why when we are using gets and print, it is printed in the new line. This is for escape sequence to the new line. And there is another function in the gets which doesn't store this escape sequence to the new line. So I'll be showing you that also. So let me show you that. So now let us write name is equal to gets dot chomp. Now if you press enter, it is waiting for the user. Now we will give the same name, but see the result. It is not storing the new line sequence. So according to your requirement, you can use it. So when it is useful, let me show you in the example. So we'll go to this Sublime. So let us ask the user gets.chomp. This is not placing the cursor to the new line. Again gets.chomp. It is asking the user. Now if you want to write the statement like the name of the person is, and it will get the data from the name, and again and the age is. So because it is not getting the escape sequence, all this will be printed in the same sentence. Now let me save it. Let me open the file and show you the result. Let me zoom it. So first it is asking the name. Let me Peter. And what is the age? 35, 53. See here, the name of the person is Peter and the age is 53. So this is automatically printed. So like this, according to your requirement, you can use gets.chomp or gets. If you want the new line, use just gets. If you don't want the new line, use chomp. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.